Hi everybody, it's Katrina. So I've put together the grill basket. I did this using a box that I wrapped, and I chose the red wrapping paper for this box. And as you can see, I have incorporated everything that I can into this box. So in the front I laid the charbroil tongs down and used them as a ledge for my seasonings, hot sauce. I've also included the McCormick Mesquite marinade as well as the mustard and ketchup bottles. We have the garlic pepper and the Mississippi barbecue seasoning. I have a lighter in the middle there, and I've attached it to the bag of chipwood, and that is the hickory smoked cherry chipwood. We have our bottle of barbecue sauce, and we have our long fork as well as our spatulas and our sauce brush in there. There's 2 towels in there that say spice it up, as well as our pot holders. And that is it for this basket. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.